Integration in logical learning.
Nutrition in plants. Nutrition. Plant nutrition is the study of elements and compounds necessary for the plant growth, metabolism, and the external supply. A plant cannot complete its life cycle in its absence. Importance of nutrition. Plants can absorb the inorganic nutrients and the water through their root system and the carbon dioxide from the environment. The combination of the organic compounds along with the water, carbon dioxide and sunlight produce the energy that allows the plants to grow. Mode of plant nutrition. Autotrophs or the autotrophic. Plants that have chlorophyll trap the energy from the sun and prepare their own food. Such nutrition wherein the food is prepared by the organisms itself, it is called the autotrophic nutrition. The organisms are capable of preparing their own food are called autotrophs. All green plants are autotrophs. Auto means self and trophos means nourishment. They prepare their own food by a process called the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis are the food making process in plants. Photosynthesis is a chemical reaction that takes place inside a plant, producing the food for the plant to survive. Carbon dioxide, water and light are all needed for photosynthesis to take place. Photosynthesis happens in the leaves of a plant. Leaf is called as the kitchen of the plant. The leaves contain the green pigment with the chlorophyll. Tiny pores that are present on the leaves, they are termed as stomata. Photosynthesis. By definition, photosynthesis is the process by which the green plants and the certain other organisms transfer the light energy into chemical energy. During photosynthesis in green plants, the light energy is captured and is used to convert the water, carbon dioxide and minerals into oxygen and energy-rich organic compounds. Other modes of nutrition of plants. Heterotrophic nutrition is a type of nutrition in which the organisms depend upon the other organisms for food to survive. Heterotrophic organisms have to take place in all the organic substances they need to survive. All the animals, fungi and the non-photosynthesizing plants are heterotrophic. Insectivorous plants are the flowering plants which lure the insects to them, then trap them in some way, then they digest the insects for the nutrients. Example, the Venus flytrap, the yellow pitcher plant and the cobra lily. Now there are different types of heterotrophic nutrition. Saprotroph. A saprophyte or a saprotroph is an organism which gets its energy from the dead and the decaying organic matter. This may be the decaying pieces of plants or animals. This means that the saprophytes are heterotrophs. I think we all know that what is symbiosis. Plant symbiosis is the close and the persistent coexistence of the individuals of more than one species, at least one of which is a plant. Example, lichens are a complex life form that is a symbiotic partnership of two separate organisms, a fungus and an algae. Now tell me how the nutrients are replenished in the soil. Nutrients in the soil are replenished by adding fertilizers and manures. Fertilizers and manures contain plants' nutrients and minerals like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Another way to replenish the soil is to grow the leguminous crops, for example, gram, peas, pulses, etc. in the soil.